meet David. He's 45 years old, hardworking, and like many of us, life's stress and long hours have slowly crept up on his health. His weight has climbed, his doctor is warning him about rising blood pressure, and his energy is at an all-time low. That's when David discovers intermittent fasting, not a fad diet, but a science-backed approach supported by top journals like the BMJ 2025, Annual Review of Nutrition 2021, and even the New England Journal of Medicine 2019. And within weeks, David notices the scale shifting. Intermittent fasting helps him shed pounds and reduce body fat, especially around the belly. Clinical trials consistently show it works for overweight adults. His blood sugar levels begin to stabilize. Studies reveal that fasting improves insulin sensitivity and lowers fasting insulin, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. David's blood pressure drops. His cardiovascular risk factors improve, exactly what researchers have observed in systematic reviews and clinical trials. His cholesterol levels improve, lower LDL and triglycerides, better overall lipid profile. All major risk factors for heart disease are shifting in the right direction. Inside his body, fasting turns on autophagy, the body's natural repair system. Inflammation decreases, oxidative stress is reduced, and his cells start working more efficiently. His liver fat shrinks, important for preventing fatty liver disease. And emerging evidence suggests fasting may protect the brain, supporting memory and cognitive function. Research is even exploring how fasting might slow cancer progression, making abnormal cells more vulnerable to treatment while protecting healthy ones. For David, intermittent fasting isn't just about skipping meals, it's about reclaiming his health, energy, and future. The science is clear. From weight loss and better blood sugar to heart, liver, and brain protection, intermittent fasting can transform lives. But remember, fasting isn't one size fits all. Always check with your doctor before starting. Please like, share, and subscribe to DRGT channel.